Hi everyone. While you can still play the game without it, you might want to find out how to verify age in Roblox to access all of the features on offer. In this video, we will show you how to verify age in Roblox, as we have a step-by-step guide to help you out. The first step is to log into Roblox on your computer. Do not log into Roblox on the Roblox mobile app. This is because you need to use your phone to scan a QR code later on. After you've logged into Roblox on your computer, you need to go to your settings. To do so, click on the gear icon on the top navigation bar. Click on Settings to go to the Settings page. On the Settings page, you'll see a birthday section. Now, you need to provide your birthday if you have it already. Keep in mind that you need to be 13 years old and above if you want to verify your age. If you already provided your birthday, click on Verify My Age to start verifying your age on Roblox. If you haven't linked your email address yet, you need to do so. After you've linked your email address, you need to complete the age verification process. Now, you need to have a couple of things. This includes a valid ID and a smartphone. The ID is used to prove your age, while the smartphone is used to scan the QR code. To begin with, take out your smartphone and scan the QR code on the screen. You can use your phone's camera or the QR code scanner for this. After you've scanned the QR code on the screen, the Let's Get You Verified page will open. Before you begin, you need to prepare a valid government-issued identity document. In addition, you need to make sure that you are in a well-lit room. This is because you need to be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. The verification process is powered by Verif, an AI-powered identity verification software. Now, you need to take a photo of the front and back of your ID. You can also take a photo of your driver's license, residence permit, or passport. It's recommended that you take a photo of the front of your ID. Next, you need to take a photo of the back of your ID. After you've taken a photo of the front and back of your ID, you'll land on the Take a Selfie step. Now, you need to take a selfie of yourself. Roblox will only use your selfie to verify your identity. Before you take a selfie of yourself, make sure that your face is in the frame and it's clearly visible. In addition, make sure that you're in a well-lit room. After you've taken a selfie of yourself, you'll land on the Thank You page. Now, you need to wait for Verif, the AI-powered identity verification software, to check your data. This process will take less than a minute. Verif will check your photos, image quality, document data, and biometrics. Once done, you'll see this message: your verification data has been successfully submitted.